In this video, we'll show you how the Google Assistant can wait on hold for you and estimate wait times to make placing a call to a business even easier with your Pixel phone. To use Direct My Call, open the phone app. At the top right, tap More Settings. Tap Direct My Call. Turn Direct My Call on or off. If you want the assistant to hold on the call for you, when it asks you, tap Hold for Me. You can also place your phone next to you and put the call on speakerphone so you're not holding the phone in your hand the whole time. When the business is ready to speak with you again, the Google Assistant will let you know. To go back to the call, tap Return to Call. Before you place a call to a business, the Google Assistant can estimate current wait times for phone and chat. You'll also get info about the best time to call back if the wait time seems too long. Now you know how to use the Google Assistant to make placing calls even easier. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.